Hey, Tim here from Expert Power Wash, Vancouver, Washington. Wanted to show you guys a deck that we're working on today. It's a tech deck or composite, whatever you want to call it. But this thing is pretty bad. So I want to kind of give you guys a little video of what we do at Expert Power Wash. Maybe this will help somebody or show a customer what we can do. Let's take a look. All right, guys, here's the tech deck. You can see this thing has been neglected over the years. These things clean up really nice. So if you have a deck like this, you know, most times we can get this thing cleaned up. So you can see all the moss growing in there. Let's take a look. You see all the black spots, algae, moss. You see where it's really green over here. There's a little step up section. You can see this thing is not looking real good. There's the rails. Definitely needs a cleaning. I'm going to take you guys around and show you the back side of the rails. This kind of surprised me how bad they were, but I guess we really shouldn't get surprised when we're out cleaning stuff. But take a look at this thing. It's basically a carpet on the railings there. You guys can see that. Try to get a little closer to the bottom here. It's pretty bad. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pre-treat this thing with a chemical solution we use, and then we're going to let that dwell, and then we're going to go ahead and soft wash it. So again, we're not using high pressure on this deck. We're going to use a method called soft washing. All right, guys, I'll get right back to you. All right, guys, I wanted to show you the pre-treatment. It's kind of really hard to hold the phone and pre-treat at the same time, so I'll just give you a quick example of what we do to pre-treat. We're going to work on this upper part first. So just real low pressure chemical mixture with soap. It's going to sit on here and dwell, and then we'll come back and soft wash it with low pressure. All right, guys, I'm going to go ahead and treat the rest of this deck. All right, we got the deck all pre-treated. You guys can see probably where it's already starting to work. See the cleaner there up against the green. So it's a real soapy mixture. It just sits on there and starts doing the work. So I want to take you guys around and show you that green area that I was just showing you about 10 or 15 minutes ago. It's cleaners dwelt for about 10 minutes or so, maybe 15. But you can see where all that green was. That moss is now turning white. So what happens is the cleaner goes on there and it kills the moss. If you come out and just pressure wash this deck, you're not going to kill any of them spores for all this moss and algae, mildew. This stuff's just going to come right back. So in order to properly clean a deck, you got to treat it first. So we're going to come back and use low to medium pressure and get this all knocked off here and get it rinsed off and get it cleaned up. I'll show you guys how it comes out. All right, guys, after inspecting this deck a little bit more, decided to treat it with a little bit more solution. So this technique's going to be a little bit different. What we're going to do is just downstream some of our cleaning solution on this deck and just let it dwell a little bit longer. So basically just bring chemical in through your pressure washing gun. Got a J-rod set up on there, and we're just going to downstream soap on there. So I'm going to get this all treated, and then we will get to the rinsing, and I'll show you guys how it comes out. All right, stay tuned.